Okay, this is a review of the Fire Chef Fire and Barbecue Fire Pan. It weighs in at 1.09 kilos and the size of the pan is 29 centimeters and the handle length is 40 centimeters. It's not the lightest pan out there, and it's made of carbon steel. Now, I've taken this pan out a couple of times and used it. As you can see, it's used here, and I quite like it, but one of the faults I've found with it is these at the back here for fastening the handle on. I dropped one the other day there, and you know, it's quite difficult to find when you're out in the wilds. Apart from that, I would say it's a very good pan. Takes up a bit of room in your pack, there's no doubt about that, but it does, it fits in securely. The handle fits securely into the pan itself, which I'll put together just now for you. Okay, so here's the pan put together. It's all fastened up, and as you can see on the back here, it's got these two wing nuts. Now these can be very fiddly. It's probably the only thing I don't like about this. It's got a very long handle, and it also comes with these two bolts here, and this is for fastening through these two holes. If you want to put on a piece of wood or whatever to make it even longer, it's a proper open fire frying pan. Yeah, I'm quite impressed with it. It cooks the food really well, there's no doubt about that. It takes a bit of scrubbing to get the food protective coating off it, but once you start to get it seasoned, it actually works very well. Is it something I would take for a long trek? No. No, I wouldn't. It's just, the handle's just too long and it's just a bit too bulky. But for, you know, a day out, just a little bit of bushcrafting, maybe an overnighter in a hammock, not too far away, yeah, it's a pretty good pan. The only fault I could say is these wing nuts in the back here putting the handle on, but I don't know, maybe you'd want to keep the handle on all the time, but it's just the wrong shape for that. Okay, well, hope you found this useful. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll be back soon with another video. Thank you.